In this tutorial, we will cover the basic usage of the My App panel. Here, under the sub-panel of Info, we see various data fields that can be populated for app-level information. The title field serves as the name for the application, and the About Us field is used to give a description of the application or the company behind it. The Enquiry Auto-Reply field automatically replies with the entered text to any enquiries made through the app. The Currency field is usually for keeping package prices in a certain currency, while the Language field denotes the language predominantly used throughout the app. Notice that there are two buttons on the top, Searchable and Published. Searchable implies that the app can be found through our Virtu app, and if it's not activated, then the app becomes private as it will not come up in search results. On the other hand, Published means the project is now live and visible on Virtu app and the web, and if it's deactivated, then the app vanishes from both the app and the web. Apart from this textual information, we also have the option to upload app logos through the Logo subpanel and banners through the Banner subpanel. You can click on the field to open up your File Explorer to select the asset you want to display. The last major subpanel, Style, is used for selecting colors for the background of the header, the text, and the screen itself in the mobile app and kiosk. You can observe the preview on the right hand side to see how the changes in the colors affect the display. Let's move on to more advanced features. Like, subscribe, and share the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any queries, or send an inquiry to hello@virtubox.io.